What's up, guys? Quick Bitcoin update. Let's get straight into it. At the moment, Bitcoin is showing zero weakness, and I see no reason to short until it does. Plain and simple. I see a lot of 12k this and ABC correction, that kind of posts. Personally, in my opinion, until we see a rejection and a change in market structure on a higher time frame, there's no short trade. What about this asset looks bearish right now? Go ahead and look at the chart, forget all of the noise on Twitter and the so-called experts, put your bias aside and ask yourself objectively, does this chart look bearish? We will of course have retracements on the way up, which will offer short opportunities, but as far as I'm concerned, the low is most definitely in and we are in a macro bullish uptrend. I told our members that I felt the low was in way back at the start of the year and that I expected higher prices. Nothing has changed since then. I still expect higher prices in the coming weeks and months. The point of control from the previous all-time high range was the last local significant area of resistance for me. We blasted straight through it after a week or so of consolidation beneath it. So looking above, there are three main areas of resistance in my opinion. They are as follows. We have the monthly horizontal coming in at around $45,510. Above that, we have the 618 from the pivot high at $69,000 to the pivot low at about $15,500. This also lines up with the value area high of the all-time high range around here. $48,000 to $50,000 has the confluence of also being a psychological level. So personally, I'm leaning more towards this resistance as an area for the first significant retracement. So this is definitely a level worth keeping an eye on and having alerts set at. Above this, we have the monthly imbalance here, and this line is the equilibrium of that imbalance. So this gives you a better idea of where you can look for entries in this particular area. Above this is obviously our previous all-time high. Not saying that we will get there at any time in the near or immediate future, but I imagine if we did, it would surprise quite a lot of people. So we're aware of the levels to the upside, and I've given you my high time frame bias here. Hopefully you found this very short and concise update useful. And if you did, please leave a like and remember to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.